Hello everyone. I am going to demonstrate about the VLOOKUP. It's a lookup function area. Anyway, this I found this skill easy for me. I already did a overview report. So our main topic here is the ingredients. So we're looking for the vendor location and price unit. So for now, first thing I need to do is to put a drop-down box here for the ingredients so that I don't need to type it. Anyway, first is to click the data and find the data validation. So first is I'm going to pick what I want here. So there's date, time, and I'm gonna pick the list. And in the source, our source is the ingredients. So I'm gonna select this. Shift, Control, Shift, and drop down. And click OK. So as you can see the drop down box here. So all you need to do is to find what you want. I'm going to choose cornmeal. So now we're working for our VLOOKUP here. Put the formula here, VLOOKUP, double click. Then we're looking for the lookup value. We're looking for the ingredients, cornmeal, looking for the vendor. Okay, click it and then type comma. And the next is the table array. So this is our table array. You need to select everything. So I found something easy. I like easy. Anyway, so just drag it and select. And then comma again. And then next is call index number. So the column is, this is our call index number. This is number 1, ingredients, and vendors number 2, locations 3, price per unit is number 4. So I'm looking for the vendor. So I'm gonna type 1, 2, number 2 here, and then comma again. And then you're gonna choose and false to get an exact match. You're not gonna get an error. And then next is close parenthesis and then enter. So here you go. Our vendor is Mugiman. So where's the cornmeal here? Here you go. We're looking for the vendor, Mugiman. So that's it. It's easy, right? And you can also copy this and paste it here if you want it easy. But usually, and then if you copy it here, you can click this area here and then just change the number. If you're looking for location, the location is number 3. So you just type 3 here. And then you can get the cornmeal location, Lansing ML is that name. But that's how you do it. It's fast. So since this is a vendor, you need to go back to number 2. Click 2 here. And I think that's it. Thank you. Bye.